Grwm beats.
This primer literally makes your skin feel so hydrated and super fresh, and it's just the perfect base for foundation. So I've been using the Kat Von D Lock-It concealer and I am obsessed, and it's amazing. It's a cream formula. It blends into your skin so well, and it doesn't crease if you set it well. So I'm going to use it under my eyes and around my mouth areas because it's kind of dark around here. So I got into the habit of using concealer more and less foundation, and it's kind of working out well for me. So I'll just wet the beauty blender and blend this out. Also dab the rest on my eyelid so it can be a base for my eyeshadow. Apply this underneath my eye to set it before it starts creasing. Okay, and I will just let it stay there until I finish my eyes and everything. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Matte Stick in the shade Mocha, and I will use that to contour the face. Just going to do that, and the same on the other side.
Grwm beats.
And for the eyeshadow, I'm using the My Little Pony palette from ColourPop. I love this palette. It's like the cutest thing ever, as you can see. Okay, so it's been used and abused, so it looks kind of messy, but this is it. And the shades are so pretty, and I'm gonna use some of these shades here to create the look that I have in my head today. To start with, I'm going to use shade here as my transition shade. I'm gonna just pop that into my crease, basically just like that. Now I'm gonna use this shade here. I'm gonna use this shade here and kind of do the same thing, but a bit more, focus it more towards the inner V. I'm going to use it to intensify the shade here in the outer V. We're not going to take it all the way. The shade Bossy from the Huda Beauty palette, and then just intensify the outer V even more. Okay, so we have a pretty smoked out look here. Darkest brown shade from the Huda Beauty palette, and then I'm gonna just pop that on here.
This is Grwm beats.
So now I'm gonna cut the crease using the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer, this little guy, and I'll just get some on the back of my hand. It's gonna cut the crease. Okay, bismillah. got some dramatic lashes on. I'll take the powder brush and brush off the excess loose powder that I've put on earlier. It's a very pretty peachy blush. It's got shimmer to it, so it's kind of highlighted, so it's really pretty.
Purchase your tracks today.
Using my hands because I like it. Because I find it easier to blend the tone into the skin using my hands. So I'll just dab them. I'm gonna come all the way down like that.
This is Grwm beats.
So this is the final look, and I hope you guys like it.